In this video, we'll show you what to do if your ASUS laptop is stuck on the startup screen and it's not booting normally. So to fix this, what you first need to do is simply press and hold the power button on your ASUS laptop until it turns off completely. Once it is off, press and hold the F2 key, and then while holding the F2 key, press the power button once. Keep holding the F2 key until your ASUS laptop boots into the BIOS menu. Once you are in the BIOS menu, you need to press the key that's associated with the default or restore default. It's usually F5 or F9. Simply press it. After that, hit F10 to save and exit, and then see if your ASUS laptop turns on normally. If it doesn't, what you need to do is press and hold the power button again to turn off the laptop completely. Once it is off, unplug everything from it, including the charger and all the other USB devices. Once you have done that, simply press and hold the power button on your ASUS laptop for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, plug the charger back in and then try to turn on your ASUS laptop. It should now work as expected. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.